Welcome to What's in the Shop. This week's exciting for me for two reasons. It's apparently Porsche week here in Latrobe. We've got Porsches everywhere. I'm excited to show them to you. But also, this is the busiest paint protection film week we've ever had in Pennsylvania in 15 years. So our work order board over there is super, super packed, and Gibsonia looks the same. So we'll start over here in the PPF bay. Behind me is a Spider RS. This is basically the GT4 RS, but convertible form. Really track-capable car, beautiful car. Carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber mirrors. It's getting a track package. This is from our friends at Sewickley Porsche. If you're in the market for a Porsche and you're in Pittsburgh, no other choice but Sewickley. By far the best sales service, all that stuff. We've got a Porsche 911 Carrera S right beside that. Very unique color. I don't know what this color is called. With a, I think they're like a coffee brown interior. This is here for a full PPF wrap and a ceramic coating. Beautiful. Behind the 911 is a Z06 for an annual inspection. So this got cleaned up, make sure the coating's doing what it's supposed to be doing, and gets sort of re-upped. This car has the carbon fiber wheels from the factory, which is really cool. And then we have a Mazda. I think this is the CX-50. It's on for paint protection film in strategic places. The bumper, I think the door cups as well. The Mazda also got tint. We've got the 911 Turbo that's been here for a couple of weeks, just waiting for it to come back from paint, and we'll get some new PPF on there. Then we have a Ram that is currently in our coating bay for polish and coating. Terrell's working on a Super Duty F350. We tint a ton of trucks, probably 8 to 10 trucks a day on a busy day. Outside, a couple of Porsches, one Targa, one GTS. That's the one he's pulling in right now. It's getting tint, full xpel wrap, ceramic coating. And the one beside that is for our friend Anthony. Just picked up his M3, swapped it out with this Targa. We previously did a full wrap and coating and tint on this, and it's back for a little bit of touch-up. Beside that's a Grand Cherokee. It's getting paint protection on the door cups as well as a Fusion Premium coating, which is our 8-year coating from xpel. There's a Roush Mustang that's here for some window tint, and a Subaru that's also here for tint. This C8 Corvette, we just finished up, I think, tinting the windows and doing a full front end. Fresh film on there. Check out this RSQ8. Full stealth wrap conversion. So this was gloss black, and now it is satin black. It's just next up for a ceramic coating on top of that. It's got the satin finish carbon fiber accents from factory on the mirrors and the grille. This thing looks freaking awesome. If you're a fan of SUVs, they don't get much cooler than that one, and they look great in stealth. Pulling into the wash bay is a 1794 edition Tundra. This one's here for paint protection film on the hood and the bumperette pieces below the headlights. Up front, we have a Nissan Murano. This one was here for PPF on the front bumper, hood, fenders, and mirrors. This front bumper is gigantic and flat. Definitely a good idea to get that one protected. And if you didn't know, we're helping Shop with the Cop. They're a local organization that does lots of great things in the community. Give away a C8 Corvette. Tickets for this are $100. They're only available in person from somebody that has tickets or here at our shop. You can grab them. They'll be doing a raffle for that on Christmas Day. And then, of course, my GT4. Let's see what's happening in Gibsonia, South Florida, and Sakala. We're counting on you for Sarasota this week.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. First up is this Audi Q5 from Audi Sewickley Porsche. This is in for a full ceramic coating on all painted and plastic surfaces. To my right, we got Mark doing his thing on this GMC Sierra Denali. This got some paint protection film, and now Mark is doing a full paint correction and ceramic coating on the entire body, wheels, and calipers. Next in line for a full wrap is this Audi SQ8. This is soon to be stealth. So the entire vehicle is going to be all satin. We are going to keep some accent pieces, all the black portions you see right now. We're going to protect an Ultimate Plus, so they're protected, but they remain gloss. Once that is done, we're going to be tinting the 2 front windows in 20% to match the factory tint, and doing a full 8-year coating on the entire vehicle. Back in the tint bay, we have an Audi Q3. This got some paint protection film on some high wear areas. We did the wear and tear kit. So it's the door edges, door cups, door sills, and they added the luggage kit on the top of the back bumper as well. We're also tinting all the side windows and the back window of this vehicle. And once these guys wrap it up, Mark will see it for a coating. In the back, we got a couple classic Porsches. This one here to my right is in for window tint. We did tint this back window previously about a month and a half ago when it was out of the vehicle. Now that it's installed and next to the old tint, they decided they want the side windows stripped and retinted in our Prime XR tint. The other Porsche here is in for paint protection film. You can see on the back sides it has the original OEM rear impacts. We're in the process now of taking those off. Once all the adhesive is clean, we're going to get the new rear impacts installed and our Ultimate Plus paint protection film, along with the entire front clip of the vehicle, hood, bumpers, fenders, and mirrors. In the wash bay, we have an X6. This is in for its annual maintenance checkup. Looks like the water's beating pretty well on it. During these checkups, we give it a full exterior detail, wash, clay bar, iron decontamination bath, and then reapply xpel boost. In the back, we got a couple of PPF jobs. First up is this Model Y. This did get some tint earlier in the day. We did 15% on the 2 front doors and 35% on the entire back section. It's in the PPF bay right now to get a 10 mil full front clip, door edges, and a luggage kit. Once the PPF guys wrap up, Mark will be seeing this later on in the week for a full polish and an 8-year coating. Up on the lift is a GT63 AMG. This came to us with factory matte paint, which most car guys know is a nightmare to take care of. With the Stealth PPF on it, rock chip protection, very, very easy maintenance. So that's the reason this customer decided to do a full wrap. We're going to be protecting all satin painted surfaces, doing a full tint on the side windows and the back window, and a 4-year coating.
Here in the tint bay, we have this Hyundai Santa Fe that's in for window tint all the way around in our XR Plus, windshield and sunroof. In the PPF bay, we have this Tacoma that's in for a full wrap in our 8mm paint protection film, as well as full tint all around, including windshield and our XR Plus. On the lift, we have this C8 Stingray convertible that's in for a stealth conversion.
Hey guys, Sakayla here, and for the very first time, I'd like to welcome you to Blackout Tinting Sarasota. Let's take a sneak peek. Here we have our office going down, getting all the displays set up, hang some stuff up there. Let's take a look at the shop. We got the table built a couple days ago. Everything's starting to come together. We're working on hanging up our big sign outside. That way you guys can't miss us. Working on the displays, unpacking a little bit more. But it's all coming together. We got the paint done about a week or 2 ago. And for the last month, we've kind of just been setting up shop. It's all finally starting to come together, and I literally cannot wait to start tinting cars. There you have it. We're still getting set up around here, but check back in a week or so and things should be looking a lot different. See you then.